Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so mesre and that your first time wa ha me pese wo ye bibi ema me so wo be kaya and drama the story bi brem say a lawyer Maurice Ampao, a very controversial lawyer e Ghana ha say what aba say John Dramani Mahama e was say wo resign e was say NDC for ema na resign any kwan say wo man stand for 2020 election because airbus and sensema airba no president am a special prosecutor who kwan say one year investigation that is John Dramani Mahama afei de ye be frefre no na he will be a subject of investigation. It's here for end the story eba and say the deputy attorney general once and be say by legal ensemble it is the person against the state. Now the particular will represent the state no the attorney general and at the office of the attorney general. Into the deputy attorney general ababonten threat say John Dramani Mahama wambodi di say John Mahama but nipa kwa wo describe any nim say maybe din say ma wo kan na wa wehu wamboni din but ye nia ye nim say eye Mahama ho asem na wo kan wo say he is refusing to cooperate in the Airbus investigation and no any asem a deputy attorney general I friend Godfred Yebo Adame wo de aba abetudwa na asema wakan ya eye me wanwa eye me okay make say eye me interesting and say we say sa Airbus nsensem bu ehunti wo mo meeting na meeting ase no all the international bodies who were concerned yebo mu din e judgment ni mo wo mu nia ebae ma wo mu nia kan say Ghana ban say mo pese mo ye further investigation e asem we mu a ye beboa mo ne kre wo mo boa na Ghana fo as that time Mahama na breso na ban mu no omo a wo mo wa no de wo mo beso omo be cooperate especially the NDC obviously the NDC for just say wo mo pese wo mo be cooperate with the investigation on the Airbus na asema me bi said abio se we hu say kan eda ho na wo duty e ko share ho ana wo duty ko share se kan ni betwa wo duty be kwa share ho ana obviously I don't know why you actually want them to cooperate. Because it is clear. Say a government official was implicated in this whole deal. Just like the statements, the judgment stated. It is a worker said they are refused to cooperate at here. Are you expecting them to cooperate when they themselves know, say, are there where their implications be a baby? It's just a question I'm asking. It's and someone what they abetudja. Was it they don't want to come clean? Yeah, and say NDC foi mo dear once NDC for no womoko radio and TV so asema womoka enya Mahama yenye and no say moko radio so amoka se mo nyehwe say bi obi a wondi bone dear your friend say won bra na wo be yi assembly anu a wonim say wondi bone nti obekọ Monam radio so na mo gaza mo nyehwe mo mbra so ne yehwehwe mo hu ne se ne kra mo nyehwe na yangasa yembra bonte meka se mo nyehwe ya mo mpesa mo beba. It was those who played major roles in this particular thing no they are refusing to come clean. Now say they be doing country no was it they had a high level anti-graft meeting and they are in crime. Now, the person reading in same betrayal was saying there has been some collaboration between other countries in respect to the Airbus issue. And I even alluded to the fact that Ghana sits at the heart of it. So we are doing all we can to get to the bottom. Was it when we there's a collaboration? Just say, Amaya your bomb didn't say woman so Airbus and say, Memauti, I say, Ghana pay the only African country, but now Malaysia, Singapore, Munia count. Was this I don't know whether it's Singapore but Malaysia and some other countries. Was this I in nano? One more air collaborating with Attorney General and a Ghanaian government no. Emma won no cry a catches and microphone and say, oh, I same way they send ye by no acquire say Ghana pan na ye ho edim. Into yan so ye be ya na say one more e was say ye bom din ewom a wo mo Ghana ha e wo se wo mo collaborating nso ye be mo ma collaborate o se sa kra no ka tre eye sa embrofofo na ana other countries na wo mo collaborate no now so wo ba Ghana fo na wo mo era ade ni siye no wo bia mpe so be collaborate na me pese me read David Shrell na wo hu se wo bo nipa ko ni din indirectly tie o see the identities of the government officials mentioned in the scandal is quite clear. One important lesson to be drawn from the scandal is the prosecution process. There is a reluctance from certain persons to admit the fact. The key government actors who engaged in the transaction are still around, and I insist there was a vice president who later on transformed into a president, and he is around and still campaigning to hold public office. And I'm saying in accordance to accountability, even if he was not involved, he ought to open up the full facts because the transition occurred under his tenure. What I say, Monshe Ahanson was say, I insist that be Mame Fankwechi was say the key government actors who engaged in the transaction are still around. Was say one more at time no one more aban mu no wo bia wuye wo mu guswa etiase they are still around. And I was also can say I insist there was a vice president who later on transformed into a president, and he is around and still campaigning to hold public office. Was it in Krofua won come who asem say wo mu person be collaborate but they are still around no. Was it Baku now we vice president later on we better than president e Ghana ha say and that ye can say was so a person will hold the public office one no work no answer enye Mahama one bo Mahama din but you and I know say there's only one person e Ghana ha say voye vice president we better than president and that me no can say was so person we than president there's only one person and it's Mahama. So whether he mentioned Mahama's name or not, send your mama description. You and I know say Mahama and a worker. It's the worker no. They are refusing to collaborate. Now there is a question I'll also ask. Nekra, asema worker no. Don't get me wrong, but Nekra womb. Asem way by no. John Dramani Mahama has not uttered a word. And asemwa. Lawyer Morris Ampokra Eka and say Nekre Mahama won't to mean kasa because on himself or kasa UK for no ebeba bontin ababe exposing no interna Mahama ayekom no. That is what lawyer Morris Ampokra said. I'm not saying that is the truth. But a very serious matter like this, asende ba enkofu bebrekra Eka say it can even affect the candidature of John Dramani Mahama. Asem kesie bi say na wo ho embo wo mu a aden na wo mba bontin MBU 3 ano ana MBU 3 emfi asem ni mu na ende president amaya share investigation ase e wa assembly mu collaborate with the appropriate personalities and appropriate offices and so on. You don't want to collaborate based on what the deputy attorney general is saying. It's not from me and then Munsem. Deputy Attorney General no said they are refusing to collaborate. And our board the woman description. Say vice president or better than president and there was some person will hold the public office. One also can one person will bear then will be collaborating. So what is happening? If you want us to believe you have nothing to do with this Airbus scandal, just collaborate. It is as simple as A, B, C, D. Dabio, say will be akobo chrono, ni aba bebo mi din, say, oh, chrono no meka hubi. Ni asi ye investigation ti membra. Mekra, any person ye katra mekra say ye investigation, mekra na midi mrika ebeko. Because mekwa ko yi miti efi asem ni mu. Mekra na midi mrika beko say dabi, me dey me see enya me na mo see enya munya investigation. I will be the first person there. Anyway, I hope this is not the case because believe me, or whether you believe it or not, even the deputy attorney general and the attorney general, they all belong to the ruling party, ruling political party most often. What you say? Inti in some say ne de eyana ebia se enya politics na ye enya ntronko adia. What you say? Enya politics na enya ntronko adia, then we expect a reply from the NDC and Mahama. Montre mo adwen e wo comment box no motie for. That's it.